All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have another guest for Saturday night radio show, and it's going to be Stephen Dorrick from LOJ Conversions. And he has a website called LOJkits.com. And what he does is makes Nissan chassis LS swap parts. So you can see here all of the vehicles he makes swaps for. This is the kit I have on my personal G35. I bought it from Steven. So he has 370, 350, 300ZX, yeah, everything you can think of, even the SUVs and the Frontier, everything. So you can go in and you can find whatever you want. You can buy product and chassis and engine type. So Steven is pretty awesome as far as an engineer wise, and he can do all sorts of crazy things. And what I like is he's open to suggestions. So like if you guys have this kit, you find something you want to change or you don't like, he is very quick and easy to adapt to something that's worthwhile and loves getting feedback. At least for me, at least he says, at least it seems like he likes my feedback. Who knows? But anyway, if you have any questions about all of the Nissan platforms he supports, or even some others he probably knows about, and or LS swapping, and or information about the kit, etc., so forth and so on, give us some questions down in the comments, and we will answer them Saturday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will make posts on Facebook also to gather questions, and that is all for now. See you guys Saturday night. Thanks, bye.